Hello everyone, welcome to London Toys. Today I have a Thomas surprise backpack for you. So let's open it and see what's inside. Our first toy is Harold the helicopter. That is so cool. And next we have a Minnie's blind bag. Let's open it and see who's inside. And we got a classic dash. And this is from series 1. So cute. Okay, let's see who we have next. And this is Gordon. This is one of my son's take and play toys. As you can see, he has played a lot with this toy. Okay, let's see who we're gonna find next. And here we have the Minnie's Wave 2 3-pack. This is so cool. Let's open the box and have a closer look. So here we have a classic salty. The second train in this box is Dino Ben. Look at the fossils. That looks so cool. The details are amazing on this toy. And the third train is Ninja Hero. He looks so cool with his red and black paint job. So next we have Steven, and this is also one of my son's take and play toys. Okay guys, let's see what I'm gonna find next in this bag. And we have Moshi Monsters Series 7. Let's unbox it and have a closer look. And our first monster is Marcel. He looks so cool with his black jacket. And our second monster is Mr. Mewford. So cute. Here we have Tamara Tesla, and she is a scientist. So adorable. The next Moshling is Yolka, and he looks so cute with his glasses. Let's see who is our mystery monster, and we have Golden Hocus. He reminds me of Dumbledore. Okay guys, let's see what we're gonna get next. And it's another Minnie's blind bag. Wow, we have Chillin' Paxton. This is awesome. And the white color looks really good. Okay, let's see who's next. And we got Caitlin. So cute. I like Caitlin, she is a really fast engine. Now let's open the outer pocket and see what we have. And we got a Kinder Surprise egg. And the surprise inside is this adorable little puppy. So cute. Next we got Take and Play Timothy. And here we have a surprise cube from the movie Despicable Me. Let's see what we're gonna find in this box. And these are the cardboard figures you can collect. Alright, here we have a bag of candy. Here we have some stickers. And in the comments below, let me know what their names are, because I always mix them up. This surprise cube also comes with 3 cardboard figures. Let's open the pack and see who we have. Okay, I'm not sure, but I think this is Stuart. And this guy here is Mark, and the other one is Dave. Okay, let's assemble it. Alright, time for the next surprise. And we have another blind bag. Let's see who is it this time. And we have Bert. And Bert is a classic. So cool. And here is a Topham hat. Alright guys, let's see what we're gonna get next. And we have another blister pack from the Minis Wave 2. And our first train is Neon Bash. I think it looks really cool. The second train in this pack is Robot Charlie, and the details are incredible. You can see all the fine details like the gear wheels and the bolts and nuts, and it looks really good. And here's the third train in this pack, and this is a classic Percy. Alright guys, time for the last surprise for today, and it is a Minis blind bag, and this is from series 2. And we have Pirate Salty, and he is one of the 5 spooky trains. So cool, and the details on this one are also really good. Now let me show you the classic salty next to the spooky salty, and you can see the amazing details they put on this train. Okay everyone, let me give you an overview on all the toys we got today. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Take care, bye! Click on any of these pictures to see more awesome videos.